Hi, today I'd like to unbox this boost up wireless charging pad by Belkin. This product can be used for iPhone 10 and iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 8, and pretty much any other devices that using a Qi charging capacity feature. The back of the packaging. This product comes with the AC adapter with 1.5 meter cable length, and it capable to do 7.5 voltage, pretty much 1.5 times than the standard wireless charging power capability out there. And it can also charge through most cases up to 3 millimeter thick. This product comes with $2,500 of connected equipment warranty, with condition as outlined in the Belkin website. Let's have a look what's inside. Okay, the actual product itself. Let's just have a look. It's a nice, looks like a matte finish. Yeah, they got a ring here. I believe it may be light up when you charge them. I'm not sure if you can see it. Focus. If you want to buy the same product here, you just have noted the product model number F7U027 there with a variant of probably each region of the use of power adapter, using the different type of the what they call it, suffix, the end part of the thing. Okay, this comes with the Australian. This stick here is Australian and New Zealand safety compliant stick, so this is safe to be used in Australia. And the actual power adapter. Okay, and also comes with the, what is this? There's a warranty card. Some stuff it's specified here. It's better to put the device right in the center rather than on the left hand side, right? Because the middle part, it looks like there's the wireless charging pad and no keys. I believe they also, you can't put any credit card on top. There's the warranty based on different languages. And what's down here, I believe this is the manual, product and warranty informations. Okay, not sure if you can read that one. The other side. Okay, let's have a look. Let's untie this thing. Well, comes with the easy loose cable ties, and I believe this one connect to this part here. This part is facing out, so just put it there. And the power adapter go to the power adapter, power board or wall socket. Okay, I got this Samsung Galaxy S7 to test this around. Nothing. Is there an on button here somewhere? No. Oh, there you go. Charging. Not sure what happened before. Alright, thank you. Let's have a look. There's the charging status over there, and also the green lights here is light up, so means this device is now charging. Let me get back to you in a day or two to let you know what I think about this product. Thank you. Hi, this is the finding what I get from using this Belkin wireless charging pad. Um, this Belkin wireless charging pad have a 15 volt with a 5 amp. So we try this charging the S7 with or without the case with the phone turn off. We can get 5% in 10 minutes. It's equivalent equal about 30% in 1 hour. The same phone and then the phone turn off with this Anker power bank Astro E5 A1208. This one have the specs of 5 volt with 3 amps. With the phone turn off, we can get about 10% in 10 minutes. So equal about 60% in 1 hour. The same phone setup, phone turn off with this Samsung AC charger with that following model, have 5 volts and 2 amps. We can get about 5% in 10 minutes. 10 minutes equal about the same with the Belkin wireless charging. Back to Belkin, the wireless charging pad. I must say the result, even it has like higher amp than the Anker one, is kind of weird on how it doesn't have more charging capability than the Anker ones. I'm not sure whether I do anything wrong. If you guys can tell me what's wrong with the setup, let me know in the comment below. I must say the use of this charging pad is convenient, but it's not cheap. But definitely it works with most people who doesn't like to have their to find the cable to charge the phone. All they need just to place the device on top the plates, and then it get charged. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.